This is Legalese, your free online legal clinic where we demystify the world of personal injury and we have a little fun. Here is William Risigliano and Frank Filippe.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Legalese. I'm here with my partner, Bill Risigliano.
Welcome everybody.
All right, and today we're going to be discussing things that you should consider when hiring a personal injury attorney. Bill, when hiring a personal injury attorney, why don't you tell us some things that you think somebody should consider?
Well, I think the first thing that you want to consider is whether or not the firm that you're thinking about hiring specializes in personal injury. There are firms out there that dabble in personal injury. You definitely don't want one of those firms. I'm talking about firms that do real estate or matrimonial or criminal, and personal injury is a small part of their practice. You want a firm that specializes or focuses or exclusively does personal injury work. I think you would agree with that.
I would agree with that. I would also add to that, aside from specializing in personal injury cases, you want a firm that actually tries the cases as well. So there's a difference between firms who sometimes just handle personal injury cases and then tries them. Some firms, they'll handle your case up until the time of trial, and when you get to that point, they may refer the case out or bring in outside counsel to actually try the case. And Bill, I know why this is important.
Well, yeah, you're going to be working with a firm for, in many cases, several years, and you don't want at the end of the case to have them tell you, hey, listen, we're not trying your case. You have to go down the street to another law firm. They're going to be handling your trial. I certainly know that I wouldn't want that to happen to me. I also think that you have to make sure that the firm who's going to be handling your personal injury case is handling the type of case that you are involved in. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so, if you get injured in an automobile accident, that's going to be different than as if you had fell off a scaffold or something like that. Two completely different areas of law, two completely different types of cases, and you want to make sure that the attorney who's handling your case is familiar with that specific type of law. It's very important, I would say.
And I think the way that you can make sure that that happens is, first and foremost, go to their website. First of all, if you go to a firm, you're looking for a firm and they don't have a website, I would steer way clear of that firm. Go to the firm's website and look and see the results that they've obtained. Check out the reviews that they have from other clients to see the level of service that they received and whether or not the clients were happy. But you'll get a sense for whether or not that particular firm is going to be capable of not only handling your type of case, but getting you a good result as well. So some of these things that we're talking about are things that people should consider before ever actually going out to the firm. So now, if I'm a client and I go to the firm, once I'm at the firm, I'm going to meet with an attorney or a group of attorneys. What do you think are some of the things that person should be looking for then?
I mean, first of all, are you going to be comfortable with the attorney that you're meeting with and, the people working at the law firm? If you're meeting with multiple attorneys, how do they treat you? Are they answering your questions? Are they addressing your concerns? Those are pretty important things when you go in for a first meeting with a personal injury attorney. And if those things are not happening, maybe it's just not the right fit, or maybe that attorney is not the right attorney for your case.
And I think that's the key thing. You want to get a good fit with the firm, with the attorney that you're talking to, and don't be afraid to ask questions. We're here, and personal injury attorneys are there to answer questions about their area of specialty. So you should be asking questions about how the case is going to be handled. Some firms handle them in groups. Some firms assign them specifically to one particular lawyer. You're going to want to ask them about that. You should certainly ask questions about the results that they've obtained, things that you've already researched on the website. If you like our live stream, please like and follow our Facebook page, Risigliano and Filippe PC. We are also on YouTube and Twitter, so subscribe and follow us at RF Injury Law. We will be answering a couple of questions from our followers every month at the beginning of the live stream, so send us your questions in the comments or send us a message. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road.